Hello students, today let's summarize one lesson of your course book, lesson number 4, An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. In this lesson, we'll come across some new terms like astronaut. Who are astronauts? Astronauts are people who go into space. Now, for your knowledge, there's another word, cosmonaut. Now, what is the difference between cosmonaut and astronaut? If we go by the Russian language, they are called cosmonauts, and in the American language, they are called astronauts. Meaning is same. In this lesson, most of the spellings have been spelled according to American English. For example, this word airplane, airplane. If we go by the British English, it is spelled as aeroplane, aeroplane. Children, for your knowledge, on the page number 53 of your book, there is a long list of words over here, British and American spellings. That's something very interesting for students to read. For example, this very first word, color, color. If you go by the British English, spellings are C-O-L-O-U-R, and in American English, it's C-O-L-O-R. The American English, the R word, the tongue gets rolled up. That's how they pronounce that word. Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian American woman to go into space. In this story, they have told us about her challenging journey, how she made it possible. She met with a tragedy. The space shuttle carrying her and 6 other astronauts went up in flames on 1st February 2003. That was one of the saddest days of astronomical history. She was born at Karnal in Haryana. Then she went to America. She pursued her career as an instructor over there. She married John Pierre Harrison and became the Indian American. Then her journey, how she became an astronaut, what gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut, what were the abilities that an astronaut should have. Then her first mission in space, it lasted for 16 days. It was a successful one. How many times she went around Earth. All these details have been given in this lesson. In the last part of the lesson, they have described the interview. Actually, when she was in space, the students of Chandigarh had done one media session with her. And in that session, she gave tips to the students. And in that, while giving those tips, she said, she gave a very nice tip that the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get into that. Wishing you a great journey. Those were the lines that she had used to the students. Her life has been awe-inspiring to many people. That's all. Thank you. Now you can read the chapter yourself